Imagine a fast, fun, and results-driven process to help your team work together more effectively. Hi, I'm Heidi Colby, and I would like to share with you some of the benefits of using a facilitator for strategic planning and how to take your business to the next level. At the end of this video, I'd like to ask you to call or email me so I can assist your team in accomplishing great things together. Today, I'm going to share 3 keys of our strategic planning process so that you understand what some of our values are when we come to strategic planning. First, team alignment. This is where all the team works together in the same direction. The next is transformational breakthroughs. These occur routinely in our process and are very helpful in taking your business to the next level. And the next one is how to generate high commitment from all of your team members toward the vision. Now I'd like to share 3 examples of how to evaluate where your organization is at in terms of vision and strategic plan and aligning your people toward it. First, you may not have a strategic plan or a vision, and your organization might look something like this, with people working in all sorts of different directions. On the other hand, you might have a vision of the future, but your people aren't aligned to it. They may be working, duplicating effort, or just putting out the day-to-day fires, focusing on the urgent over the vital. Ideally, what we'd like to see is this: a vision with a strategic plan with steps to get there. And we'd like to see all of the people in your organization aligned toward that vision. This is what we specialize in doing. And now I'd like to share the 5 phases of our process. First, the environmental assessment phase is where we help you assess the forces in your business or industry that are happening so that you can stay ahead of the curve. The practical vision is where everyone works together in creating vivid images of the future. This shared vision is an inspirational and motivational force for your organization. The transformational breakthroughs start to occur in the contradictions phase. This is where we coax your team to deep levels of discernment to avoid the tendency to use simplistic problem-solving analysis. Teams usually experience breakthroughs here and resolve issues that have long stood in the way of progress. In the strategic directions phase, we use creative and innovative thinking to open doorways to the future and to take your business to the next level. A strategic plan is really a map guiding you and your organization to your vision. And for this reason, we immediately create an implementation plan. This plan contains all the critical elements that you need to be able to succeed in your organizational change. I'd like to share some research about how to achieve high commitment in your organization toward your vision. Commitment and involvement work together. Where there's low involvement, there's also low commitment toward the strategic plan. But where there's high engagement and involvement in the plan, you have high commitment. Our strategic planning process is designed so that many people can participate in the process. This is why we generate so much success in implementing our plans. We also have quarterly reviews to make sure your plan stays on track. Many people can be involved in a strategic plan, but at a minimum, we'd like to see all functions and levels within the organization represented. Even if your organization is very large, we can facilitate at multiple levels and roll the information up. If your organization is ready to look strategically at where you're going, please give me a call. Call or email me so that we can start working together in taking your organization to the next level.